Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted a squeegee. I'm super excited about it. It is all silicone, and so you can drop this and it is not going to break. And it is one piece. This is important because look at this. This is disgusting. This is my current squeegee. And because it's two pieces, water gets stuck there and it gets all gross. That is not going to happen with this. Also, let's drop it. It's really quiet. Still all in one piece. And you can hang this on the top of your shower or on your shower door with this little hook. It's really nice to hold. You have this big grip here. This moves. So let's give it a try and see how it works.
You are going to want one of these for every shower in your house and get one to keep it in the garage for your car windows as well. Streak-free, noise-free cleaning, huge, 8 inches for this. And it is so easy to hold, so lightweight. And I love that this is not going to get gross because it is just all one piece. It's so practical. I am really loving it, and I think you're going to love it too. Definitely check this one out.